Hey y'all, so this is the drink for tonight. Keeping it pretty simple, just a drink for one. So I got these two little nip bottles right here. If you want to add more liquor, you can. This is the raspberry flavor vodka, but it's blue. I have some Jolly Ranchers and some coconut water. I have no other drink, y'all, and of course I can't use water, so yeah, we're about to whip this up, and hopefully I don't break my blender. So this is also a hack video because I don't have a strong Vita mix, I think, for ice. I mean for hard candy. So let's see if it's gonna work up in here. Okay, they need to pay me. All right, so I'm gonna take my pour right down in here. If you want to melt your Jolly Rancher, go ahead and melt it, but I don't feel like it. Is this gonna work? I don't even know. Girl, I don't know. I don't know, girl. But just a little bit. I already don't have a lot of liquor in there. But yeah, this is enough. Once I blend it, it'll be, you know. But let's see. All right, y'all. I'm scared. Oh my God. Okay. Got my cold glass right here. I'm just gonna take my drink. Boom. Ice blue, baby. I just wanted a little drinky drink. Like I said, I just wanted a little drinky drink before I went to bed. So that's what this is. Let me taste it, because you know how y'all do. Ooh. Y'all, okay, because I know how y'all do. Y'all probably be like, this girl is ditzy in the head. I know I put Jolly Rancher in here. I know. However, I didn't expect it to taste this strong. It's not strong, but it's good. I ain't need no extra sugars. It's good. Yummy. Okay, bye, y'all.